It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to enable on-screen keyboard on Windows laptop. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to enable on-screen keyboard in your Windows laptop. So the very first thing you want to do is to come down to your start button right here. Click on start button. Then make sure you navigate to settings. Click on settings. Then you can make use of search engine right here and type in on screen. So just click on that. Click on this particular icon right here to turn it on. Use it to make a type. So this is how to enable on-screen keyboard on your Windows PC, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.